I hope my new camera is filming. What's up everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're not working on the Miata. Me and Kegan are going to be working on his Z. It's a 2005, very nice. So what we're doing today, we're going to be installing these brand new seats. They're BRAUM seats.
Yep,
right?
BRAUM.
Very, very nice and cute. Super excited to do that. Super simple, shouldn't be too hard, but why not to make a video about it, right? So let's go clean up the shop real quick and get the Z inside. You guys are wondering what's going on with the Miata cart, the one I haven't come up with a name for yet. It's right here, nothing's being done to it today just because I do not have parts. I am waiting for pedals, brake booster, and the steering rack to do everything. As you saw in the previous video, we installed the coilovers on the front and finished the cage for the most part. But what do you guys think about this awesome quality of a camera? Just so you know, you can watch. Wait, stop. It focuses super quick too. Like, look. Well, almost quick, but it's so sick. You can watch this video in 4K. So click down below, like down there, and press that 4K. Tell them to press 4K.
Press 4K for the best channel on YouTube. Do it.
We just moved this Miata a little bit. Oh, yeah, the Z. Very nice. Oh, perfect. It fits right in. He had to transport both the seats in this car.
It was a cold drive here, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Comfort is real. Today we're going to be putting in these bride seats. Into my 350Z. Big shout out to BRAUM for sponsoring me so my car can finally be one step closer to what I want it to be. The factory seats in 350Z are horrible. Memes? Make me a meme. Bruh. Oh fuck. So first off, on the factory seat, obviously I already have it removed. I decided to leave it at home so I could transport both the seats here. For the convertible specifically, there's a module bolted to the bottom of the factory seat. It's a little white box, is this one right here. Basically, this little white box is attached to the bottom of the factory seat. You cannot remove this. It is actually a component that makes it so your top can go up or down. When you put the top down, the seat moves itself forward a little bit in order to not hit it. The white box controls that, so you need to keep it plugged in. What I did is I just unbolted it off the seat. I ripped the wiring harness out from underneath the carpet. It comes out right under here somewhere. I just let it through the back right here so I could hide it. If you don't feel comfortable putting in aftermarket seats, have somebody who you think is way more capable do it. These are not just for looks, it's a matter of safety. You gotta be careful. They're only for looks, it's fine, it's BRAUM. So I already got all the bracketing and the rails and such on. I felt it was unnecessary to have to videotape all of that because you could watch any video and figure out how to do it. Just make sure that you have to pull this upward in order to slide them. We should edit that out too. So I think we're ready to just pop them in and see where we can go from there.
I'm in the video too, guys.
Right now we're just working on getting my factory seatbelt mount on. I'm not gonna be running a racing harness because it just doesn't make sense for me. It's my daily usually. I'm just lazy and don't wanna go through all the effort of pulling the seat back out. There we go. What a beauty. What a beauty. Now I just need a wrench, tighten that down, we'll be all good.
Net collectors. Very cool.
Yeah, the company that makes those actually was the same company that gave out all the VIP stickers for Tuner Evolution, which I was lucky enough to showcase in. The company is really cool. They only make about, I think 150 they said, of each kind of sticker, and then they discontinue them. So
Rip.
Everything's a limited amount.
So you're saying you're cool, right?
I'm pretty cool. I'm pretty much 100% JDM AF. 2 bolts in.
Ooh, it's a little tall. It's a little, like...
I've seen other convertible Zs that have aftermarket seats in them. I can't recall if any of them had BRAUMs, so I'll keep my fingers crossed and hope for the best.
I guess we'll have to find out. Why am I talking with a stupid voice? God damn it. Oh, look at this boy. Oh, he's coming with a new exhaust. Take the bus driver! Thank you, the bus driver. Dude, my camera is so sick. It's so good.
Looks nice.
Oh, I get to showcase your exhaust before you do?
Yeah, depends on when you're uploading that video.
Yeah, that is true. Caleb just got here with his new exhaust for the drift truck, and we're gonna have to help him. And we're gonna have to help him load the truck onto the trailer so he can take it to the shop.
It's so hard with the aftermarket steering wheel. They'll be looking beautiful and fresh for anyone who wants to come pick them up. St. Charles, Illinois, come get them now.
It looks really nice with the cars because the steering wheel is wood and the seats are like brownish, kind of like it's really cool. If I get to 50,000 subscribers by the summer, I'm getting a Z.
If you get to 10,000, you have to buy an Xbox.
But look at these seats, guys. Don't it look beautiful? Oh wait, it's a little dirty.
Yeah, the back's a little dirty. Just ignore it for now.
Ooh, you got new seats. You put them in. They match your steering wheel.
And don't forget my beautifully professionally painted interior panels.
Do you paint them yourself?
I did not. I did all the prep work, and I had a local shop paint them with excessive amounts of metallic flake.
Dude, that looks awesome. Look at these seats, guys. I love it. The seats are in. There's nothing else to do. However, we do have to help. However, we do have to help Caleb put his truck on a trailer because once again he's taking it to Mike's shop tomorrow to get it wired up and everything, right? That's what we're doing right now. Ready? Let's get it. We need more speed. All right. Get the speed up. Keep going. All right. You're probably okay. Dang, look at that. That looks so sick. Drift truck coming alive. It would be a good thumbnail.
Got the seats in for the most part. We've ran into a little bit of an issue with the passenger seat. I've contacted BRAUM, waiting to hear back from them. Sure, it's something we can sort out. It's not a big deal. The driver's seat's in though. It's in perfectly. It's beautiful. It matches so well with everything. I could not be happier with that.
This is the thumbnail worthy stuff. It's been it's been all over the place with the video. I'm sorry, but sometimes it'd be that way. Sometimes we have to do the way it is today. I'm gonna go home, relax, chill. It's Sunday night. Thank you for watching this short little video about the seats for the 350Z. Next week, we're definitely working on the Miata 100%. A lot of work coming to be done. A lot of work needs to be done and it's coming. English, I don't do that. I don't English. Do you English?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. We should English together sometime. Ah, damn.
Get him
my memes. I appreciate you coming and working on something and helping me make a video.
I appreciate you helping me out.
We are definitely going to make a cinematic video of your car sometime when it's bright out. And maybe like by the spring, maybe if you're putting it away for the winter.
Yeah, there's a lot to come by spring. Hopefully I'll have everything done and this thing will be one of a kind and nobody will be able to compare theirs to it. That's my end game plan.
But yeah, once again, thank you all so much for watching the short little video. I love you all so much. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the streams that I do sometimes. And this Miata eventually will come to life. Z is awesome. Kegan's awesome. Peace out and stay positive. I love you guys. Bye. Wait. Bye. Wait. Wait. Which way does it do? Wait a minute. Oh, there you go. I had to take this out because it was messing with me. Okay, bye guys. Bye.